I am Mr. Sandeep Dattatreya Kardili, M from Pharmaceutics, lecturer, Mola Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sone, and I am giving presentation on chapter Tablet, Part 3. First of all, content, tablet coating, microencapsulation, defects in tablets, and evaluation of tablet. Tablet coating, reasons for coating, to mask unpleasant taste and odor, to improve the appearance of tablets, to prevent the medicament from atmospheric effects, to control the site of action of drugs, to produce the sustained release product. Then methods of tablet coating: sugar coating, film coating, and enteric coating. Sugar coating. Steps of sugar coating of tablet. First, sieving. The tablets to be coated are shaken in a suitable sieve to remove the fine powder or broken pieces of tablets. Second, sealing. Sealing is done to ensure that a thin layer of waterproof material such as shellac or cellulose acid phthalate is deposited on the surface of the tablets. The shellac or cellulose acid phthalate is dissolved in alcohol or acetone and its several coats are given in coating pan. A coating pan is made up of copper or stainless steel. The pan is rotated with the help of electric motor. Subcoating. In subcoating, several coats of sugar and other materials such as gelatin, acacia, etc. are given to round off tablet and to help in building up to tablet size. Several coats of concentrated syrup containing acacia or gelatin are given. After each addition of the syrup, dusting powder is sprinkled. The dusting powder is a mixture of starch, talc, and powdered acacia. Fourth, syrup coating. This is done to give sugar coats opacity and color to tablets. Several coats of the syrup are applied. Coloring materials and opacity agents are also added to the syrup. The process of coating is repeated until uniform colored tablets are obtained. 5. Finishing. 3 to 4 coats of sugar are applied in rapid succession without dusting powder, and cold air is circulated to dry each coat. Thus forms a hard, smooth coat. Polishing. Beeswax is dissolved in organic solvent and few coats of it are given. The finished tablets are transferred to a polishing pan as rotated at a suitable speed, so the wax coated tablets are rubbed on the canvas cloth. This gives a proper shining to the tablets. Sugar coating is an art. Film coating. In this, tablets are coated by a single or mixture of film forming polymers such as hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, hydroxyethyl methyl cellulose, methyl cellulose, carbovax, PEG 400, etc. A polymer is dissolved in some volatile organic solvent and is spread over the tablet in a rotating pan. It is also used to make tablets waterproof. Before sugar coating, film coating may be enteric or non-enteric. Advantages: it is a less time consuming technique. Not much labor is required. It has no adverse effect on disintegration of tablets. Product cost is less. It protects the drug from atmospheric changes such as light, air, and moisture. Coating is resistant to cracking and chipping. It does not increase the weight of tablet. No waterproofing is required before actual film coating. Enteric coating. Enteric coated tablet. These tablets are coated with the material which does not disintegrate in stomach but passes through as it is enteric polymer. For example, hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose phthalate, etc. These tablets dissolved in intestine. These are site specific. Enteric coating is given to the tablets when medicaments produce severe irritation in stomach, action required in intestine, medicament may decompose or destroyed by stomach pH, drug absorption is better in intestine, delayed action is needed. Microencapsulation. Microencapsulation is a process in which tiny particles or droplets are surrounded by a coating to give small capsules of many useful properties. In a relatively simple form, a microcapsule is a small sphere with a uniform wall around it. The material inside the microcapsule is referred to as the core, internal phase or fill, whereas the wall is sometimes called a shell, coating or a membrane. Microencapsulation techniques. The method are based on chemical processes, mechanical processes. The following techniques are commonly used. First, pan coating. Second, fluidized bed coating. Third, coacervation. Fourth, electrostatic deposition. 5, polymerization. 6, multi-orifice centrifugal process. 7, separation of incompatible substance has been achieved by encapsulation. Applications: to mask the bitter taste of drugs like paracetamol, nitrofurantoin, etc. To reduce gastric and other gastrointestinal tract irritations, for example, sustained release. 3. A liquid can be converted to a solid for easy handling and storage. 4. Hygroscopic properties of core materials may be reduced by microencapsulation. Protection against external environment. 6. Microencapsulation has been employed to provide protection to the core materials. 7. Separation of incompatible substance has been achieved by encapsulation. Defects in tablet. First, capping. In this, there is a partial or complete removal of a top or bottom portion of a tablet. Reasons: first, excessive fine. Second, defective punch. Excessive fine, defective punch die, high speed of machine. Fourth, granules too dried. Defect can be removed: first, setting the die and punch properly. Second, reduced percentage of fine. Second, picking and sticking. The material is removed or picked up by a per punch from the upper surface of the tablet. In the sticking, the material stick to the wall of the die cavity. Reasons: use of worn out die and punch. Second, use of small quantity of lubricants. Third, presence of excess moisture in the granules. 4, scratches on the surface of the face of the punches. 5, defect in formulation. Defect can be removed: first, using a new set of die and adding proper quantity of lubricants in granules. 2, dry granules. Mottling: an unequal distribution of color on the surface of the color tablet. Reasons: migration of dye in the granules during drying. Second, use of different coloration of medicaments and excipients. The defect can be avoided by drying the granules at low temperature using the dye which can mask the color of all medicaments. Weight variation. Weight variation occur during the compression of granules in a tablet machine, and the tablet do not have the uniform weight. Reasons for this defect: granules are not in uniform size, presence of excess amount of powder in granules, no proper mixing of lubricants, and no uniform flow of granules. But during the compression, change in capacity of a die. 5, variation in the speed of tablet machine. 5, hardness variation. The tablet do not have a uniform hardness. It depends on the weight of the material and the space between the upper and lower punch during the stage of compression. If volume of the material varies and distance varies between the punches, the hardness also varies. 6, double impression. The effect occurs when the lower punch has a monogram or some other engraving on it. During compression, tablet receive an imprint of the punch. Due to some defect in the machine, lower punch moves slightly upward before ejection of a tablet and gives second impression. This can be controlled by managing the movement of a punch. Lastly, thank you.